Itch. We've felt them from mosquito bites, dry skin, healing wounds, and chronic skin conditions. It makes us want to scratch, a knee-jerk reaction that is bad for us. Most of us know this, but really struggle to resist it. Things are just not so simple in reality. I'm Pei Ning and I'm an industrial designer. I also developed eczema when I was 14 years old and experienced the way itch affected my life. It was unbearable and uncomfortable, and a constant battle that took a toll on me physically, mentally, and socially. While studying design, I learned about how designers take apart complex problems in ways that prioritizes the instinctive human behavior and how products fit into our life. This is something I often found lacking in existing itch solutions. So, how can we better manage living with itchy skin then? And how can we then help people with chronic itch feel a little more supported in their daily lives? People with eczema have already been using various ways to seek relief while trying to avoid harm. Like using other sensations as distractions, trying out different tools, and even using their hands in creative ways. But dragging is a dermatologist's nightmare. The sheer force and friction of it is what causes skin to tear. And most tools can also easily be misused like this, harming ourselves while we get lost in the frenzy of itch. If providing a safer experience means reducing drag, then nothing in the market really provides enough relief at this level of safety. Except this. Here's Rollo. It lets you seek relief in a safer way. Rollo rolls. And this is the key to a safer experience. Dragging on the skin is replaced with a downward pressure, and the uninterrupted rolling further regulates impact and force so you can go at it hard and fast when you really need to. Rollo gives you control, but also acts as a safety net against misuse. You can easily take apart Rollo for washing. Crevices are minimized so your Rollo does not end up looking like this. Why not bigger? This is so Rollo can do life with you. And it can even disappear when you want it to. An itch comes anywhere, anytime, and Rollo is designed for that. You might wonder, how is pressing relieving? When Rollo rolls, textures repeatedly press into our skin, interrupting itch pathways to our brain. Just like how a mosquito bite gets less itchy after we make an X over it. Over 2 years, we have explored 28 different textures and tested them with itchy people to decide on one that really hits the spot. Tried, tested, and approved by real people during real flare-ups. Despite not being a medical product, we consulted dermatologists and skin researchers and did a carbon paper test to look at the way Rollo interacts with our skin to understand what really happens during rolling. The chosen texture reveals clean dots that imply a downward pressure that reduces the chances of skin tearing compared to conventional scratches. In this design process, I've gotten to meet many people passionate about skin health, from medical professionals, owners of support groups, fellow innovators, and even you. The community has definitely touched my heart with their stories and has been the true motivation to making Rollo a reality. For conditions like chronic itch, solving the problem is perhaps not about finding one answer, but about providing a combination of tools to help users feel in control of their lives again. The guilt associated with scratching, the resentment towards having to sit out of activities, the social judgment, and even the helplessness our loved one face watching us struggle. Rollo acknowledges these neglected needs and want to be part of your journey to better manage itch in your everyday life. Hi everyone, we need your help to reach this major milestone. So, by backing our Kickstarter campaign, you not only will become the first group of people who would own a Rollo, but you also become a part of helping Rollo expand its potential for further development. So, pledge your support today and let's make this vision a reality together. Roll away!